Can I reset my AirPods without my iPhone?
Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a question that might seem a bit challenging at first. Can I reset my AirPods without my iPhone? The quick answer is yes, and we're here to walk you through the steps. So, whether you've switched to another phone or you just can't access your iPhone right now, stick around and we'll get those AirPods reset.
Why would you need to reset your AirPods?
First things first, you might be wondering why you would need to reset your AirPods in the first place. You may encounter problems like connection issues, sound imbalance, or rapid battery drainage, and a reset could fix these issues. Or you might just want to connect your AirPods to a new device. Regardless, resetting your AirPods brings them back to their factory settings, meaning they're fresh and ready to pair with any device.
What do you need to reset your AirPods?
Before we get into the process of resetting your AirPods without an iPhone, it's important to understand what you need. You will need your AirPods and their charging case. Make sure your AirPods are in the case and that the case itself has some charge, as this process won't work if the case is dead.
How to reset your AirPods without an iPhone?
Now let's move on to the actual process. Here are the steps to reset your AirPods without an iPhone. 1. Close the lid of your AirPods case and wait for 30 seconds. 2. Open the lid of your AirPods case. Make sure the AirPods are inside. 3. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case. It's a small, round button located at the lower part of the case. 4. Continue holding the button until the status light in the front of the case starts flashing amber and then white. This should take around 15 seconds. 5. Release the button. At this point, your AirPods are reset and ready to connect to a new device. And there you have it. That's how you reset your AirPods without an iPhone. Remember, you can use this method anytime you encounter problems with your AirPods or when you want to pair them with a new device. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.